If your iPhone screen keeps blinking or flickering, you don't need to worry. This guide will explain why this issue happens and provide effective solutions to help you fix the iPhone screen flickering problem quickly and easily. Part 1. Why is my iPhone screen flickering? iPhone screen flickering can be caused by software issues, incorrect settings, storage problems, faulty apps, water exposure, or hardware damage. Identifying the cause helps you choose the right solution to fix blinking or flashing display problems. Part 2. How to fix iPhone screen flickering issue. Fix 1. Force restart your iPhone. iPhone 8 say 2nd gen and later. Step 1. Press and quickly release volume up key. Do the same with volume down key. Step 2. Press the side key and release it when you see the Apple logo. iPhone 7 Plus. Step 1. Long press the volume down and side keys simultaneously. Step 2. Release them when you see the Apple logo on your phone. iPhone 6s say 1st gen. Step 1. Long press the side key and the home key simultaneously. Step 2. Release them when the Apple logo shows on the screen. Fix 2. Free up iPhone storage. Step 1. Open the Settings app on your iPhone, then click on General iPhone Storage. Step 2. Click on the option to check more information about the storage used by apps and the available memory. You can remove the application you aren't using if the storage space isn't enough. Fix 3. Turn off auto brightness. Step 1. Open the Settings menu of the iPhone and head to General Accessibility Display Accommodations. Step 2. Toggle the slider to turn off the auto brightness option. Also, you may drag this slider in the control center to increase or decrease your screen's brightness. Fix 4. Enable Reduce Transparency. Step 1. Head to Settings and tap on the Accessibility option. Step 2. From there, head to Display and Text Size. Step 3. Tap on the Reduce Transparency option. Fix 5. Update iOS. Step 1. Head to the Settings menu and click on General. Step 2. Tap on Software Update and click on Automatic Updates. Enable Download iOS Updates. Step 3. Click on Install the iOS updates, and the latest iOS version will update on your phone automatically. Fix 6. Delete problematic apps. Step 1. Find the application on the home screen. Step 2. Touch and hold the app icon. Step 3. Tap Remove App from the pop-up menu. Step 4. Select Delete App and confirm the deletion. Fix 7. Restore iPhone in DFU mode. Step 1. Launch the iTunes application on the computer and switch off the iPhone. Step 2. To put the iPhone into DFU mode, hold the volume up plus volume down buttons. Next, press the side button. Hold these 3 buttons for about 10 seconds till your phone's screen turns black. Step 3. Now press only the volume down key while holding the side button for 5 seconds. Step 4. Release the side button and keep pressing the volume down key for 10 seconds. Fix 8. Repair iPhone system issues without data loss. iOS System Recovery helps fix iPhone screen flickering and other system issues without data loss. It repairs iOS errors while keeping your photos, contacts, messages, and personal files safe through a simple, user-friendly process. Step 1. Install and open iOS System Recovery on your computer, then connect your iPhone to the computer using a USB cable. Select iOS System Recovery from the main interface. Step 2. Click the Start button and follow the instructions displayed on the screen to put your iPhone into recovery mode or DFU mode. This allows the program to detect and repair the iOS system properly. Step 3. After your device is detected, confirm the iPhone information and download the matching firmware package. Then click Repair to begin fixing the system. Once the process is complete, your iPhone should restart normally, and the screen flickering issue should be resolved. Fix 9. Contact Apple support. If iPhone X screen flickering and unresponsive issues are not caused by software, they may be related to hardware problems. In this case, contacting Apple support or visiting an authorized repair center is recommended for assistance.